Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to add Guna UI library in VisualStudio window forms project. Guna UI is a beautifully designed modern UI framework for Windows Form that makes it easy to create great looking user interfaces with just a few lines of code. Let's get started. First, we need to download the Guna UI library. I have downloaded already. You can download it from the official website at gunaui.com. Link in description also. Once you have downloaded the library, open VisualStudio and go to Toolbox. Right click and select Add tab, write name, then right click anywhere in the toolbox to select Choose Items. In the Choose Toolbox Items dialog, click the Browse button and select the Guna UI library that you just downloaded. Click OK to close the dialog, and the Guna UI controls will be added to the toolbox. Now you can simply drag and drop the Guna UI controls onto your form and start using them. You can customize the look and feel of the controls using the properties panel, and you can also use the built-in animations and effects to make your user interface more interactive and engaging. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.